right guys, as you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. We have 14 bins. Let's see how this new setup goes, man. Kind of nervous, but let's get it. It's all in God's hands. Let's go, let's go. So today I'm trying out this new pressure washer tip, the Dewalt one. This is the only one they had. So this one actually shoots in like surface. This jump, man, this thing is actually kind of saving me right now without this hot water. Without this hot water, I don't think I would do it with the normal tip. This tip is a beast. All right, so they actually brought me 16, not 14. He came back and was like, yo, I got some more. I was like, bet that, brother. Alright, so I finished those bins. It wasn't too bad. It took me about an hour, a little more than an hour, but now I have 2 bins on the route today. I didn't want to do too many. I was supposed to have around maybe like 10, but I just want to break this truck in just a little bit. The equipment, especially the equipment, because I don't know, it's new equipment, you know, I don't want to take the chance. So we're here at the first house, and then we just got one more and the day is done. We made pretty good money still, so I'm not complaining about that. First house is finished. It was only a 1 bin, so it was pretty easy, and I think that one was a monthly, so it wasn't too bad. The equipment is running pretty good. But I do need hot water. I have an appointment scheduled for the boiler to get that up and running, and hopefully everything can be good, man. We just need hot water, honestly, and this thing is gonna be running like a champ. I'm gonna have to run a battery. I forgot what it's called. It's something so my battery does not die on the lift, but I have to install that. I have that installed on the Ford. That's gonna be another video. I'm gonna have, I have a lot of things to do. All right guys, we are here at, they're probably the best shop that we have came across. We just came to take it to get a oil change, filter change, fuel filter change. But we're just trying to keep this truck up to date with maintenance. The Ford is still in the shop. It's been 3 weeks now. And I just found out some bad news. So we have another place called, these people fix our, they do our maintenance on the boilers and the pressure washer. They told me that this whole unit is basically fried. Burner's not gonna work anymore. Like the boiler, no hot water. This is never gonna work before. It's always gonna be a pull start. And they told me it was gonna be around $8,000 to $9,000 to fix this whole thing. Just this unit itself, I think, goes for $7,500. So that just hit us hard. Even when we get the Ford back, we're not gonna have a pressure washer on the back of that truck. So we're kind of stuck in another hole, and I don't know. I mean, we just got to get through this. My plan is to take the Ford pressure washer, put it on the back of this truck. It's a newer truck, more reliable. I think we need one truck at least running at 100%. The Ford, they told us that nothing is gonna happen with, like, they're not gonna be able to fix it. So I'm gonna go get that back from them, and I'm try to take it maybe to this place, because the Ford is in a different shop. It's closer to me. This place is about an hour away, but we'll see what happens. Don't you love to see it? Remaining oil life 100%. Remaining fuel filter 100%. Beautiful. As you can see, we have 36,000 miles as of this video. So let's see how far this truck makes it. There's my wife. That's the mind behind all the admin work. Look, she's looking, look.